How can I recover my Xbox Live account if I forgot my gamertag?
Hello, gaming enthusiasts. Today we're tackling a problem that has likely perplexed many of us at one point or another. How to recover an Xbox Live account when you've forgotten your gamertag. Don't worry, we've got you covered with an easy, step-by-step guide.
What's a gamertag?
Your gamertag is your online identity on Xbox Live. It's a unique tag associated with your Microsoft account that allows you to play games, make friends, and utilize other services on Xbox Live. But what if you forget it? Thankfully, Microsoft provides a way to retrieve it.
What do you need?
First, gather the information you have for your Xbox Live account. Ideally, this would be the email address or phone number associated with the account. Remember, this might be a different email address or phone number than the one you currently use. Make sure to check old email addresses or phone numbers if you're having trouble.
How do you recover your gamertag?
Now that you have your account information, here's how you can recover your gamertag. 1. Go to your Xbox console. It doesn't matter if you have an Xbox 360, Xbox One, or Xbox Series X, the process is the same. 2. Press the Xbox button to open the guide, and then select Profile and System, followed by Add or Switch. 3. Click on the Add New option. You will now be prompted to sign in using your Microsoft account. Enter the email address or phone number you've identified as associated with your Xbox Live account. 4. Follow the prompts on the screen to recover your account. Once you've logged in, your gamertag should be displayed on the dashboard. 5. If your gamertag isn't displayed, navigate to the Profile and System section again, where your gamertag should be visible under your profile. There you have it, folks. A simple and straightforward guide on how to recover your Xbox Live account when you've forgotten your gamertag. Remember, your gamertag is linked to your Microsoft account, so the email or phone number you use for that account will be key in recovering your gamertag. We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll be back to gaming on Xbox Live in no time. Happy gaming!